Hello guys, welcome to the stream of this week. I tried to register yesterday and to upload it in YouTube, but because of the format, couldn't take. I will register it now again. So let's start with Bitcoin. We talk about last stream that there is a potential hold of this area because it's coming from 23 November 2020, holding of this spike and after that bouncing, and we see we are here from 7 of November and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks above this area. If we are taking out this drawing and we are putting the exponential moving average and RSI and stochastic, we see that we have a bull divergence in the RSI on the weekly from this, and we have a recross of the stochastic in the bear zone, and price to start to go up. But we have here this 13 exponential moving average. We talked also in the last stream, acting like a resistance, and we see 1, 2, and now we will have it at 17,735. If it's coming some volume, need to spike on this, but all these exponential moving average will act like a resistance and supply zone. If we go at 3 days, we talk about this exponential moving average lost it, after that start to gain it, after that lost it, stay a couple of days under, now try to go above it, and we see all other exponential moving average acting like a resistance. Now we will see if the price will go till 1820 area in this supply zone and in this 34 exponential moving average which acting before like a resistance. If we go at the daily, we see that RSI is coming on the resistance area, and 1, 2, couple of times this area reject RSI, so we are waiting to see if this zone will be break or not. This is meaning this 55 exponential average and 89 exponential moving are acting like a resistance in the past. If we go at 4 hours, we see 377, which is Fibonacci number, acting like a resistance before. Now the price first candle was rejected, and after that now this candle opened above this 377. We will see if this 377 will react like a resistance. If not, this can break and can go to this 17,500. We have the supply zone from this area. After that we have 17,700 from this, and we have this entire supply zone which is coming from here around 18,200, 18,100. If the price can stay above that 377. If not, the price can come back, and we are following to scalp this on each time frame and of each exponential moving average. We see last time price bounced from 34 exponential moving average at 1 hour. Price can come on this demand area of 1 hour and this 55 exponential moving average and can bounce, and we can play scalp at 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Price can come on this 89 exponential moving average 17,100, on this 144 at 17, and on 200s and 220, 200 and 200 moving average and exponential moving average on this area. So each exponential moving average can bounce on the lower time frame and can play a scalp. For stocks, because it's going hand in hand with Bitcoin, we have the SPY, which price came on this demand zone, bouncing from this demand zone we saw yesterday, and after that getting a rejection on this area, and this area previous was a support, and now we will see passing this area can force again this diagonal on this, and after that go till this supply area, or can reject it and come back on this area again, and this. If we go at dominance, we talked last time that this area can be rejected from the past. We see this, and alts will run away, and we have from the 1st of January alts run, and we have a leg up from all of them. If we go on futures, we see the reaction coming from this area like normal Bitcoin, and run and get rejection from this support. The previous support become now a resistance. There is a potential pattern here, and we will see if this pattern will go up and break these diagonals or confirm the patterns, and this X support become now a resistance and getting the rejection and coming back to this demand zone. If we go back on Bitcoin chart, I want to show you something. A potential pattern, it was in play. And can be break off. But we have this area, this supply, and have this, and have this rejection from here, and everybody is waiting this to see if it can continue or can come down. If we go on Tesla, we saw the Tesla come down and start resetting. We have first support here on this area. We have second support here in this area coming from 2020. We have a gap of price on the lower time frame on this. We have a gap of price for 78. We have a good support here and the X resistance from here. We have a gap of price on this area. We have a gap of price on this, and we have in this area again a support, and this again support from here demand area, and we have a very interesting area of 26. I don't know if we come till here, but this in the future can be a good idea to follow this. At one moment this will turn and start to gain, even to buy slow by slow on each support area, or to see some bull divergence, or after some announcement from Fed or from Powell, we will see, and we can buy and make a speculation on this stock market. If we go on Dow Jones, we see also this supply zone, and after that price came to this demand area and get rejected, and now we will see if this rejection from this area will come on this part or try to break this to go up. Thank you very much for your attention, and we are keeping in touch. If you have any question, you can contact our group. Have a good week.